Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my newest special series A double drone tuned to 432 Hertz. And this flute here is by far the best double drone I have made as far as the A key, and also is the best double drone A I've played. I've played a bunch of flutes, folks, but this one here is by far the best. I've designed it to where it is so user-friendly. It is just awesome. Everything about it is awesome. Look at it. The finger holes on it, super small. They are close together. The mouthpiece, as you can see, is close together. It's super comfortable in your mouth. The wood on it is beautiful. By far the best you can buy. I have my one turquoise stone fetishes on the block. Wrapped with very soft deer leather on the bottom. Look at her, that's some beautiful wood. You will see. Special Series A. I'm going to do a very short sound sample. This one here is in stock today. I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase it right away, and I will have it on sale. It will ship out within 1 to 2 business days. Very short sound sample. And it's so awesome, folks, you can't even hardly overblow it. Listen. I can't overblow it. I don't know. You might can, but like I said, I'm blowing in it real hard and it's not overblowing. Very short sound sample. Beautiful. Better get you one, folks. You will love this one. I promise you, folks. Thank you so much for everything.